In this video, we'll look at how to use Geogebra to draw a rectangle and measure its area. So first, I'm going to choose this tool up here, which is going to give me my polygon tool. And I'm going to put the corners at the intersection of grid lines. So I'm going to choose point A here, go across 3 squares, B, go down 2 squares, C, and back across 3 squares, and then click back where I started, and now I've drawn my rectangle. Notice the lowercase letters here are the actual names for the sides, so I can just move those off the image. Likewise, I can move the label for the corners around a bit more conveniently. That's using the move tool up here. Okay, so the area we know is equal to number of squares that fill that space. And if we look at the larger squares here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So the area of that rectangle is 6, which we can also get by looking at 3 times by 2. Now we can use the input window down the bottom here to actually design an equation that will work out the area. So if I click in that input window, then I want to do length A times by length B. So I can type in lowercase a and then multiply, which is this symbol here, and then B, then hit enter, and we get a value of 6, which is what we worked out before. So if I were to change the size of that rectangle, let's use the move tool here, and let's drag point D down 1 square, and likewise C 1 square. So we can see we've got 9 squares in here, and my area formula here gives me 9. If I pull across B 1 square and C across 1 square, then once again E is equal to 12, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 times by 3. There are 12 squares within that rectangle.